Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. I am interrupting our schedule today just a little bit to talk about the greens because I got it late last night, so I'm trying it this morning. So in case you're wondering what's happening today is our customer appreciation event. Feel free to look at all the posts. Feel free to just order or hit me or your ambassador up and figure out how to do all that. It's pretty much 10% off your subtotal, but I've given you some tips and tricks and things you can get. Also, we have a cool 5-year anniversary special for being your own ambassador, right? It's just a digital kit. Instead of the big pink box, although it's super cute, you can still get either, but the box. But if you just want to join and get into it right now, you're a fan, you've already got tons of Epic Gear product, and you're wanting to start making money back, either back on what you order or make money going forward, this is a perfect time to do it. It's $19.95 to get the digital joining kit, access fee, right now, or even better, reach out to me or your ambassador and get it for free. That's right, you can join for free right now, which is super cool, and just until the end of August. So it's just the rest of August because of our 5-year anniversary in the US. So 27 years in Canada and 5 years in the US, pretty awesome. Anyway, here we go. We stop talking and show you some greens. So I'm going to take 1 scoop, 240 milligrams of water. There's 30 servings, I believe, in here. Yeah, 30 days. And then, of course, the water part. You could do plain or fizzy. Actually, what I was thinking is just a little bit of water. Mix that up. So I'm using our wand, but if you've got one, or just use a spoon. Actually mixes pretty well. And then I rest with fizzy water because that's just how I like to drink my water. Just get all the sides. All right. Cheers. This is the first time I'll be trying this one. Wow. Okay. Vanilla, smooth. Yes, you can taste the greens, but not like, oh my God. So this would go nicely with pina colada drink, or if you want to make mocktails with it. Summer berries. Obviously, you can put it into your protein shakes, which would be perfect, or as a latte. But yeah, cheers. Here we go. Me having my greens for today. Done. It's pretty good. So, hey, by the way, 10% off of greens too if you want to try that today.